Alright, so I got this 64 Riviera all ready to paint the cream color. So what I'm gonna do, he wants this two-tone, so on the top. So I think I'm gonna bring the cream color to here, to this point right here where this ends, and then I think I'm gonna let it curve around right up to the bottom of the trim that goes on there and take it all the way around. So that's the way I'm gonna do this here. So I'm gonna come and get this in color and then get it painted up here. So I got the color on there. Like I said, it's gonna be two-tone, so I'm gonna wait for this to dry and flash off a little bit, then I can clear this. But I gotta use a tack rag and make sure all the overspray is off of it, and it's gonna come out pretty good here, guys. So I just gotta let this dry and come in and do some clearing on it, guys. And one step closer, one step 64 Riviera. Alright guys, so the 64 Riviera roof is done. Like I said, it's gonna be two-tone, so I'll be able to paint these pieces, the parts of the car separately, come paint the bottom half. So, you know, the roof is finished up here. The roof will be that color, and the bottom half will be that color there. So it's going to be two-tone out, guys. So she's good, man. Let her sit. Then we come in and buff it out. Boy, she's going to really look like glass, but that roof is done on this 64 Riv, guys. So, all right.